Hello and welcome to another episode of Mini Story. Thanks for listening to Mini Story Podcast. If you'd like to take your speaking to the next level, listen carefully to the story and answer the follow-up questions. Hello everyone and welcome to another mini story. In this episode, I tell you a short story about a bank robbery. Is this story about a dance club? No, this story is about a bank robbery. Someone goes into the bank and wants to steal the money. Ready, let's get started. An old lady went out shopping last Tuesday. Did Jumund go out shopping last Tuesday? Of course not. An old lady went out shopping last Tuesday. Where did the old lady go? She went shopping. An old lady went out shopping last Tuesday. She came to a bank and saw a car near the door. Where did she go? Did she go to a dance club? No, she went to a bank and saw a car near the door. What did she see near the door? She saw a car. She saw a car near the door. A man got out of it and went into the bank. Did a baby get out of the car? Of course not. A baby can't drive. A man got out of it and went into the bank. She looked into the car. What did the old lady do? She looked into the car. The keys were in the lock. Were the keys on the dashboard? No, the keys were in the lock. The old lady took the keys and followed the man into the bank. The man took a gun out of his pocket and said to the clerk, "Give me all the money." Did the man take a knife out of his pocket? No. The man took a gun out of his pocket and said to the clerk, "Give me all the money." What did the man say to the clerk? He said, "Give me all the money." He shouted. But the old lady didn't see this. Did the old lady see the gun? No, she didn't see the gun. She didn't see the man taking the gun out of his pocket. She went to the man, put the keys in his hands, and said, "Young man, you're stupid. Never leave your keys in your car. Someone's gonna steal it." What did the old lady do? Did she put the keys in the man's pocket? No, she put the keys in the man's hand and said, "Young man, you're stupid." Did she say, "Young man, you're clever"? Of course not. She said, "Young man, you're stupid. Never leave your keys in your car. Someone's gonna steal it." The man looked at the old woman for a few seconds. What did the man do? Did he look at the clerk? No, he looked at the old woman for a few seconds. Then he looked at the clerk, and then he took his keys, ran out of the bank, got into his car, and drove away quickly. without any money. Did the man take money with him? No, he didn't take money with him. He went out of the bank without any money. Thanks for listening. That was a great story. What you gotta do is now you should tell the story to one of your friends, or if there is no one around you, you can tell the story to yourself. Have a great time. Take care.